Good morning, leadership students. This is a quick tutorial on how to use Loom and our video announcements that we're going to be doing every Wednesday for the middle school students. So the first thing that you need to be able to know is where to find the announcements. So on our Haiku leadership class page, down on this left tab is called announcements. This is going to have everything that we need to make a really successful video announcement. So on the left is a spreadsheet, announcement spreadsheet, and on the right is announcements folder. If you click the announcements spreadsheet link, it's going to take you to kind of like the unfinished version of announcements. It's going to have everything that the teachers want announced on that weekly announcement. So at the top, you will see a date. Okay, and then there will be slideshow link. Now, you guys are going to be responsible for creating the slideshows and linking it there. Okay, on the right here in these tabs, we're going to put the student's name and leadership that is going to be responsible for that slide. And that means writing out that slide and kind of making a video for that slide. And I'm thinking right now maybe one student can do 2 slides. And I think that will work, but it's up to you guys. You guys can decide what you want to do. Okay, and then going back here, announcements folder. So what that is if you click that link, it will take you, whoops. How about I actually click that link? Okay, so I'm going to click that link and it will take you to the announcements folder. So you can see the unfinished version of the announcements here, and then I've kind of already started the template for the announcements here, but then as we go through, you will see more and more slideshows for each week. Let's go ahead and click this slideshow. Okay, so what I'm thinking is you guys can write out or copy and paste over from the spreadsheet, this spreadsheet, right, onto a slide. A picture here too might make it look a little bit more visually interesting. And then what you're going to do is, if you are responsible for a slide, you are going to hit the present button while your Loom is recording. Okay, so for example, I have this recording, this Loom going on, so I'm going to hit present. And then I'm going to give an introduction, okay? So, good morning, navigators. I am here with the September 16 announcements. Some general announcements. Next week is Parent Conference Week. Remember to check your grades using PowerSchool. If you need help getting to PowerSchool, please contact your homeroom teacher. We have some student shout-outs for being kind. Shout out to Sarah, for always being friendly and saying hi every day. She does her very best and comes to class ready to learn, from Mrs. Coda. Shout out to Alyssa Brentius for always being kind and helpful, from Miss Ellison. Okay, and then I'm going to pause, and let's say those are the 2 slides that you were responsible for, so you are done. So what you're going to do then is stop your Loom. And when you stop your Loom, it will automatically take you to this Loom website where you will see your video. You'll see how to access your video, but more importantly, because we need to edit this video and put it all together into one nice long streamed video, and because multiple students might have multiple slides, and we're going to have multiple students speaking on the entire announcement, we are going to actually click this here, this download button. It will download your video, and you can use iMovie to edit it, cut parts out that you didn't like, whatever you want to do. When you are done, you're going to, it depends, we're going to try to play this a little bit by ear. You can email this to the person that is going to be editing the video together, or you can upload it to a Google Drive and have them access your video that way. But basically, when we are done, the person who's compiling all the videos is going to use iMovie and take all those download Loom clips and put them all together into one nice streamlined video. So my movie has a lot of different movies from my read alouds from my class, so it's going to take a little bit to load. Okay, but basically when you're in iMovie, you're going to, whoever is in charge of this is going to do create new video. You're going to import all of the different students' Loom's videos. And I am going to move, just so I can access it easier, move my video from the downloaded part of my computer onto my desktop. And that will make it easier for me to find. And so I'm going to import the video. Here it is. And if you are in charge of this, you're going to probably import multiple students' videos. And you're going to drag it down here. You can edit it. Okay. So let's say I don't like my intro, so I'm going to cut it shorter or whatever. Okay. And when you're done, you're going to use this button here. And you're going to click the File button. We'll call this our announcement days, which is 9, I think it was 9/16 announcements. You're going to export it, and then you are going to upload it to a Google Drive or to your YouTube. Whichever one you want to do is fine with me. And you're going to put that link down here back on this spreadsheet document so that I can email that video link out to all the homeroom teachers and they can show the video to their class on Wednesday. All right, thanks for watching.